The next revolution in football won't happen on the pitch, it'll happen online. Every great change in football started with the fan movement. Terraces, chants, boycotts, banners, but today the real stadium is digital. The chants are tweets, the protests are posts, the loyalty is clicks, and whoever controls fan attention controls football's future. That's what we're fighting for with Action, to give fans a home built for their voice, not to be monetized by someone else's algorithm. Because the next wave of power in football won't come from billionaires or broadcasters. It will come from fans who organize online, intelligently. And we're building the platform for it. Do you think online fan power can actually change football? Or is it all talk? Let's test that theory in the comments.